Let's bake some yeast rolls. Disclaimer, these are not homemade, but they are made at home. These are the Rhodes yeast rolls. I love these. These are absolutely delicious. Have with my delicious homemade sweet potato butter. My oven's ready now.